Hey guys, we're back here for another lesson. Right now, we're working with all the blog stuff and posts on our theme. In today's lesson, we're gonna create another essential template file for our theme called archive.php. Usually, this file would be used if you need to create a page, an archive page for your site. That is, a page showing the content organized by date, by months, by years, etc. However, we can use this file in a more generic way. To understand this better, we're going to take a look at the WordPress documentation for theme developers. This page here talks about all the template files needed to create a theme. Let's click here on Common WordPress Template Files. Here we have the list of template files with a description. If we scroll down the page, we find an entry called archive.php. Look what they say about this file. The archive template is used when visitors request posts by category, author, or date. Note, this template will be overridden if more specific templates are present like category.php, author.php, and date.php. That is, we can create specific files for categories, the category.php file, authors, author.php, and date, date.php. But we also can choose to create a single file called archive.php, which will handle these three things for us. Actually, we can also create the tag page using this file, although the documentation doesn't say anything about it. If your intention is to create professional-looking themes for selling or distribution, you really need to have this template available among the theme files. Do you remember what ThemeForest has to say about this? In their case, they only accept themes that reserve the index.php file for the standard blog latest post view. So in theory, from what I understand, you need a different template for when your user clicks on the link of a category, a tag, an author, or a month or year, for example. At the moment, our theme has only the link that leads to the author's posts, to the categories, and to the tags. These links here. If I click here, I can only see posts from a specific author. As I have only one author, the page looks identical to the blog page. The same thing for the category and for the tags too. As you can see up here, this view is coming from the index.php file yet. But fortunately, in our case, it's very easy to solve this. Let's go back to our code. And here I'll just make a copy of the index.php file. Change the header. And save the new file with the name archive.php. Now when I reload this page, I see that everything here is following the new file. If I want, I can make any changes to the file. For example, I can remove the featured image. Let's do this. And now the image is gone, but this only affects the author, the category, and the tags view. Here on the blog, everything is the same because the index.php file is responsible for the layout here. I'll leave the featured image in the author view too. So I'll just undo what I did. And that's it. Very easy. Well, that's all correct, but let's improve it a little more. We can create a title above the posts showing more information about the item being clicked, so the visitors won't be so lost. They will know exactly which page they are visiting. And this will also be useful for the date and the tag pages if you later decide to create links to them too. Let's call a WordPress function here before we start the if block. This time the function will be the archive title. This function allows us to pass two formatting parameters, which are the HTML tags inside which the title text will stay. This first parameter is the opening tag. Let's use an h1 heading tag with the article title class, article hyphen title. And the second parameter is the closing tag. So as we open the h1 here, we'll close it out here. Let's save it and see what it looks like. Okay, great, no? Now we got the author's description. And when I click on a category, I have information about the category we clicked on. And this will help a lot the visitor of any web page that is using our theme. So that's it then. That's all for this lesson. See you later, guys.